So good afternoon. You're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate once again. And topic of debate is reservation. So this team will speak in the favor of reservation, and this team will speak against reservation. And so now I would like to ask the captains that whom will this hand. So Fabia.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Malik and I am from class 12. Today we all are here with an amazing topic which is about the reservation. And you know very well that it is a very debatable topic in our country also, that everyone is in the doubt that it should be given or not. So let me clear your misconception, your doubt that it should be given or not. So I will tell you with my points. So let's start. You all know very well that what is the meaning of the reservation: to uplift the lower caste people, to fulfill the gap between the upper and lower caste people. And you all know very well that what used to happen with the lower caste people earlier, means historical injustice. You all know very well. There's no use for telling. There is no use for telling you. So let's start. You know very well that if we talk about the population of lower caste people, so it was 52% in our country, and you can check on the AI. You can check on the AI that it was 52% in our country. But if we talk about the people that who means how much people, Saji? So the population of the lower caste people, it was 52%. But if I talk about the people that how much people are agree, how much people are agree just because of the reservation, so it was 65% in our India in the sense of 2011. And if we are talk about the US, so 73% of people are agree just because of the reservation. So how can you say that reservation should be removed? And do you know that you all were asking that what the reservation did for us? So listen, 20 to 30% discrimination reduced just by the reservation in the sense of 2011. And do you know that just because of the reservation, 20 to 30% women gender discrimination also removed just because of the reservation. And if we talk about the college, if we talk about the people that how much people are attempt just suicide just because of just because of the reservation. So there are 30% students, means young people are attempting the suicide just because of the reservation, because they have to torture by their teacher on the basis of caste, and it is not a good thing. Speak now.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today we are going to have a debate on a very controversial and debatable topic, that should caste based reservation be abolished or not. Well, I personally believe that caste based reservation should be abolished, because if we see any developed nation in the world, so they don't have caste based reservation system. So that's why if we want to develop our nation, so we should not think that reservation should be the criteria for getting job or for getting admission in college. It should not be criteria. And if I talk about discrimination, as Fabia was saying that because of reservation, discrimination will be removed. But I think caste based reservation creates discrimination among the students. How does it create? Let me explain. There are a lot of students who are so talented and they belong to general category. And they have to do hard work, because they know if they don't get good marks, so they won't be able to get admission in college. They won't be able to get selection as well. But if I talk about lower caste people, so if they don't get the good marks, however they get admission in college and selection as well. But what about those people? Don't you think it is unfair with those students who are more educated or more talented?
So listen, it's not about the discrimination. It's all about the lack of seats. That in our country, in our India, there's lots of lack of seat in the India. So that's why they did not get the job. They did not get the education. And let me tell you that just because of reservation, diversity increase in the sector of education, in the sector of employment, and even politician also. Earlier, what used to happen that the lower caste people who belong to the lower caste people, they could not study, they could not get job. But now you can see that just because of the reservation, they can do everything, and that's why it is increasing diversity in the education and all.
No, it is not about lack of seat. It is about it is waste of seats if you give on the behalf of caste, because many are giving bribe and making the benefits. On the other hand, many are being unable to get benefits because of poverty. So that's why government must focus on giving reservation to those who really need, who deserve it, not those who are from lower caste.
Yes, of course, I agree with you that it should be given on the class-based reservation. And do you know that when the reservation should implemented in our country, so it was on the basis of class, not the caste. But people are here who makes the reservation on the basis of caste. So it is the fault of the people that they are making the
No,
reservation on
sister,
the basis of caste.
it is 21st century, and today when world has reached moon and planning to reach Mars, where there some people like you come and talk about casteism.
course not.
It is
Listen,
mean
listen,
it is
listen,
means
listen.
you are having it is mean you are having a conservative thinking and you don't want to understand, you don't want
Listen,
to
Saji.
develop yourself. That's why you are uttering it.
Listen, Sarji, now you can see that we are sitting with the upper. Sarji, listen. Now you can see that we are sitting with the lower caste people. There is no discrimination. Why there are not discrimination just because there is no discrimination just because of the reservation, by which reservation helps to improve ourselves and just yes, Sarji, we are sitting with Afshar. She belongs to the lower caste people, but how it was possible? How it was possible just because of the reservation? Sarji,
But you know,
just because of the reservation. And do you know that just
when I heard about reservation at that time, I used to support this policy. But with the passage of time, I got that there are poor people in general caste as well. It is not compulsory that if they are poor, so they belong to lower caste. If they are rich, so they belong to upper caste. It is not like that. That's why government should help the poor on their financial condition, not their caste, because there are poor people in every country, in every city, in every village, even in every caste.
Okay, no, Shinapya, I would like to give you answer. As you are saying to me that in the that as you are talking about that there is discrimination still in the education sector, means if someone is getting 49% marks, they are cracking the exam because they belong to STSC OBC, and who got 59% marks, they are not cracking. What I say, I think you didn't listen me carefully. You know what I say? In education sector, 49.5% reservation has been provided to STSC OBC people, and for general people 50.5% reservation is there. If they are not cracking any exams, so it's a fault of them. No, it's not a fault of reservation. Okay.
of course not. Sarji, I will. Sarji, I want to speak, Sarji. Sarji, listen. Do you know that there are many countries where the untouchability is performed? You can take the example of our Rajasthan, Bihar, and some. What do you know that incident which happens in our Bihar? That teacher torture to the student on the basis of their caste, and that's why she is attempting the suicide just because of the torture. They don't torture. Yes.
Okay, so Miss Aisha, I want to ask that you said about gender discrimination. That gender discrimination has decreased because of reservation. So you know that it has not decreased because of reservation, because of education. You know, people are awareing, people are getting awareness. That's why the gender equality is
I
not
think
here.
you don't know the gender reservation is also here, where the
Gender reservation or gender discrimination?
gender reservation means reservation given on the basis of gender also. So it is gender discrimination, and because of the gender reservation, we are removing the lots of means we are removing the 20 to 30% discrimination from our country.
Do we have gender reservation in our country? How much is it?
I don't know, but it reduces a lots of discrimination.
Okay.
Means women have power. Oh, what? What?